In this video, we shall look at how we can find the number of terms in a linear sequence with a given last term. So over here we have the first term to be 2, second term to be -9, the third term to be -20, and then the last term has been given to be -141. So if we want to find the number of terms in a given linear sequence, we use this formula. The last term is equal to the first term plus the number of terms minus 1 multiplied by d, or the common difference. So the L, the last term, the A, the first term, N, the number of terms, and then the D, the common difference. So we can see that the L in this sequence, the L is the last term. It is given as -141. Alright, the A, what is the first term in the sequence, is 2. And then the common difference D, it can be between the first term and the second term. So the second term minus the first term. So the D is given as -9 minus 2. What is the first term? Is equal to -11. Alright. So we have it to be -11. Now we want to find the number of terms, that is the N. So the L, what is given us, so let me quote it again and then use, so L last term A plus N minus 1 times D. So the L here represents the last term, and the last term in the sequence is -141, and that is written here. So -141 is equal to A. What is the first term? 2. That is 2 here. 2 plus N. That's the number of terms, and that is what we are looking for. And then D, a common difference, what is -11? -11. So multiply by -11. Alright, so let's try to expand the brackets by multiplying -11 by those in the bracket. So N times -11 will give us -11N. -11 times -1 will give us +11. Good. So -141, let's try to write clearly, is equal to, now 2 plus 11, 2 plus 11, this 11, okay, then minus 11N, this one, 11N. Right, so -141 is equal to, now 2 plus 11 gives us 13 minus 11N. So we are going to bring this 13 to this side of the equal sign, and the moment it comes here, the sign positive changes to negative. Alright, so that's going to be -141 minus 13 is equal to -11N. So let's take your calculator and find what is -141 minus 13. So -141 minus 13 gives us -154 equals to -11N. So you could see that this is negative, this is negative, so the negatives cancels out. So 154 is equal to 11N. So we divide through by 11 divided through by 11. This will cancel this, so this implies that this right that n, so n is equal to 154 divided by 11. So what is 154 divided by 11? Let's use the calculator to tell us the answer. So n is equal to so the number of terms in the sequence is 14. It means from 2 to negative 1 for 1, the number of terms will be 14. Alright, now let's take another question on the same slide. The question is, find the number of terms in the linear sequence 5, 15, 25, and the last term 1, 2, 5. So using the same relation, L is equal to A plus in brackets n minus 1 D. In fact, know that we use this relation when the last term is known. Okay, if the last term is known, this is the formula we use, and the last term is the same as the nth term, so don't forget about that. So the last term on the L is 125. That's the last term. The first term A in the sequence is what? 5. And then the common difference, the n is what we are looking for, so we shall come back to it later. So we should have to find the D, the common difference. Now the D can be between the first term and the second term, or the second term and the third term. There's no difference. So U3 minus U2. So this means I just want to find it between the second term and the third term, and that should be third term minus the second term. That is what I have here. So the D as the common difference, the third term is what? 25. 25 minus the second term 15. So 15 from 25 gives us 10. Good. So using the same relation, the last term is equal to the first term plus in brackets the number of terms minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So the L, that's the last term, is 125, is equal to the first term A, what is 5, plus in brackets n minus 1 times the D common difference, what is 10. Alright, so what we are going to do is that we are going to multiply through by 10. So we are multiplying 10 by those in the brackets just to remove the bracket or to expand. So 125 is equal to 5 plus, now 10 times n gives us 10n. 10 times negative 1 gives us negative 10. Alright, so we try to group like terms, or let's add the 5 and the negative 10. So 125 is equal to 5 minus 10 plus 10n. So 125 is equal to, now 5 minus 10 gives us negative 5 plus 10n. So we're also going to bring the 5 here, negative 5 to the side. But remember, whenever a number crosses the equal sign, the sign changes. So on the right hand side, it is negative 5. The moment it comes to the left hand side of the equal sign, it changes to be negative, positive rather. So note that. So we have 125 plus 5 equals to 10n. So 125 plus 5 gives us 130 equals to 10n. So you can also write 10n is equal to 130. Then divide through by 10, divide through by 10. This implies that n is equal to 130 over 10 gives us 13. Alright, So the number of terms in the sequence from 5 to 125 is 13. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and you share. Thank you very much.